guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. Today's a beautiful day. It's cozy here, and we're gonna have fun today. We are taking Batman to the dog park. Can't take really Sophie because she's more like a house dog. So we got a great day planned ahead of us. And talking about that, I think Sophie. Camera shy. Oh, come here. Oh, look who's there. She loves to see movie when I watch them. Oh yeah. But hey, we gotta go wake up Batman. Come on, Sophie. Go. Let's see. Dun 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 dun. Bam bam. Bam bam. We're going outside so you can use his bathroom. Yeah, go for it. Enjoy. What happened? Oh, you want to be in the vlog? Okay, look, you're in the vlog. I know you won the census today. Today's your day. I know. Go for it. Go do your thing. I'll be back. Okay, perfect. Ooh, so now we brightened up the day. Oh, Bam. He wants to be in every shot. But anyway, ooh, it's dark. Oh, and let there be light. So now we got everything ready. It's time to make some breakfast because boy hungry. And then we gotta take Bam to the dog park. It's gonna be lit. So let's ride. So I brought him back in. Alright, I know you wanna go already. I know you're excited. But I gotta eat first, man. You gotta understand. Oh god, here we go. Now you want a belly rub. Okay, alright.
I love my life. I love my life. I love my life. I love my life. No, now we don't know where to.
It's such a beautiful day out that I'm gonna have my breakfast right out here. Made some waffles, and I got my right there's that little cup that you saw. It's my Herbalife tea for Lessa. Help me with that. Listen, wait a little bit, shred a little bit more. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Look at this. Beautiful day. So, for that reason, I'm gonna get out here. I'm gonna let the dogs rest inside because I'm taking Bam later. It's somewhat hot. It's like a warm day. So I'm letting him get some AC so when we go out there he can enjoy to the fullest. So yeah, breakfast time. Now we're ready. Breakfast is served. Well, I ate breakfast. Now, let's get him clipped on. Let's head to the park. Okay, come here. Good boy. Hey, good boy. Okay, hold on. Wait. Whoa. Hey, whoa. Hey. Come here. Wait. Jesus. Come on. Hold on, cowboy. Come on, over here. Hold on, right here. Come on. Hold on. Wait on, hold on. I know you know where we're going, I know. Go ahead. To that side. Go, come on, to that side. That's my seat, sir. Sir, excuse me. That's my seat. Go over there. Move. Hello. Oh, God. Okay, here we go. Come on. I don't know what is going. What are you doing? I can't drive like this, bro. Let me get this. Got everything situated. Bam. I think he's a little nervous. He's excited, nervous. He doesn't know what to do. It's okay. He can't. He's like trying to hide it in how excited he is. Once we get to the park, he's gonna take off. So let's go.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out.
He's so excited, he's pushing me out the car. Wait. He's like a little kid, you know, and little kid's like, Mommy, let's go. Wait. Don't you dare. No. Okay, go. Okay, wait.
Till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, been fighting ways to get away, to see you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go.
Bro, what are you doing? That's it? Running around, you got tired? This is what you do now? Huh? Is that what you do now? Is that what you do? You had some water. You need more water? Is that what you need? I get you more water. It's up to you though. He likes this tree for some reason. This one impotent.
Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again.
You know, I think he's really smart because when I'm recording, he doesn't want to chase the ball. But as soon as I stop recording, I get the ball, he's going to chase it down so fast. Let's see if we can catch him off guard somehow. Let's see. No. Let me see. See if he jumps. Somewhat. I don't know if I caught that good, but yeah, he got it. So I think he's tired. Seems a little excited still. But he was so excited. He had a good time. We were there for like an hour and a half. Really hot day. But man, I never seen this dog take off and run so much. Usually they get tired. He gets tired super easily. But today he was running his little heart out. He got a little girlfriend. Yeah, you do. Yeah, little girlfriend. Yep, I know. I saw you. He tried to act all big and bad with the big dogs, and they're just like, oh God, okay, I love you too. Like, in the beginning, he went in the middle of 5 dogs, and then, like, they all teamed up on him, and he took off. It's hilarious. Yep. It's a dog. I'm gonna bring him back tomorrow, though. I think he needs some more tomorrow. He really enjoyed it, so. Let's take him home so he can get some AC. I mean, there's AC in the car, but, you know, inside. We gotta get gas first. But yeah, let's roll. What happened? You trying to? Are you jelly? Are you jealous? I think you're jealous, huh? Wait. What was that? What were you just doing? Did you just jump on my back? Oh, you're gonna act like you did not do anything right now. Little slick little thing. Little slick little thing, but I love him so much. Slick little thing. What up, guys? It's currently the next day. I was gonna take Bam Bam out again to the dog park. I don't know if you can really hear. It's kind of rainy. It's been gloomy. I was gonna see if the sun can go out, but it's been like 5 hours. It's just been gloomy and sprinkling on and off. I know. I told you we're gonna go to the park. I know. He's like, hello. I'm like, hey, calm down. I love you too. But unfortunately, I'm gonna go. So I did a quick workout. That video will be coming out soon, so you guys can check that out. It's a challenge. I challenge you. So yeah. But now we just gotta finish up with the dogs. Gotta feed them. Get ready for work and head out to work. And yeah. So I think this is where we're gonna end it. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for tuning in. You wanna say bye too? Is that what it is? Oh, and then you get camera shy. Sophie's on the couch just chilling. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed our adventure. It was fun. I enjoyed myself as well. Until next time, make sure to smile and always know that your best is yet to come. God bless, guys. Peace. Say bye, Bam Bam. Okay. Bye.